Yeah, two.
Yes, two. Dos. That's good?
Yeah,
Okay.
And camping terms.
Yeah, it's okay.
Everything, total.
Yeah.
Where's everyone?
We're gonna go from here. We're gonna go and buy the fish. I know you wanna take video of that, so I'm gonna take you guys first over there. So
Okay.
We're gonna buy the fish.
Okay.
And that's it. We just
Okay.
go and pick up the kids.
Cool. Los hermanos here in Pityal getting some fresh fish from the market. I'll show you a video coming up. We're going on a small trip to somewhere about a half hour into the mountains on this really nice cold river. So looking forward to it. And yeah, so this is Pityal right now. A lot of shops, and tonight there's a festival here. So this town square is going to be lit. Anyway, just a short video to show you guys there's a river coming up. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I would appreciate it. And to see more videos like this, short videos, long videos, just some cool Puerto Vallarta Mexico videos. Gracias. We're in Pityal getting some fresh fish for this little road trip. So what?
Inside. Come back, people.
You're right. You can hear them everywhere, right? Wow. Wow, dude. That's a massive fish. So first you get the fish, he weighs it, see how much, and then he's gonna clean it. Barato. Road trip. My Mexican friends. Sorry about the wind. That this adventure starts. Hopefully this chair lasts. Little captain chair here. Should be fun. Ay, ay, ay. Todo bien, gracias amigos. Buen día amigos. Buen día. ¡Viva México! Hey, Río, playa. Río, playa, Río. Hola. Wow. Bueno. Wow, smells good. Amigos, you see the silver car behind me? Well, those are my amigos coming to the fish fry, so they decided to tape me, as you will see in the next scene. Mira, mira. Hola.
Hola.
Hola, amigos. No, no, hola. Backing up here.
Aquí donde estábamos. Mira los toros. También los toros. Nuestra primera vez que vemos un toro. Pedro, mira.
Watch out, eh?
Ay, qué chido. No de tocarlo. No.
Watch out. Hola. What's up, guys? ¿Cómo estás, amigos? Do you speak Spanish? What do I speak?
Which one of you guys did this? Which one of you guys did it? Who's guilty? All standing like they didn't do anything. Nobody knows.
Ay! That's my pool right here, bro.
Mexican. First is the swimming pool.
There's a skeleton of a chicken? You think it's a chicken though, but it's not.
Where? Yeah, that was somebody's lunch.
Papá, ahí se mete con ese lugarcito.
This is a perfect pool.
Eso es.
Imagine when this river is flooded all the way to
When? In the summer?
the rainy season, like during
July?
June,
Okay.
July, August.
You can't come here, eh? You can't.
Cuidado, Bastián. Con cuidado. Cuidado, Sophie.
We're building this fire. Where are we building this fire, by the way?
Just there.
Right here.
Yeah. So guys, we are gonna live here for 30 days.
I love it. Nature. And I have milk right there with the cows.
Of
Perfect.
course, I'm telling you, they are both. But
They're both whatever you want, right?
yeah, it's gonna be hard for you to collect a quarter, but you can try.
You're milking the wrong thing.
Hey. This is PG-13 here.
Yeah, but you know PG-13 doesn't sell.
Pedrito. Ready, Pedro?
Instead of water, instead of milk-based,
Beautiful fresh fish.
what they do
Red snapper.
ice instead. And for some reason, lower
Angle.
as low as possible, as low. Go lower.
He wants to see my ass, that's why.
Hey, Boris, go lower. You know you can do it. Hey, last time you could do it better.
Hijo de la chingada, güey.
Boris, you know I love you.
You want to see my ass.
To be broken.
God's beauty, I would love to share some inspirational quotes from Alan Watts. Much of the secret of life consists in knowing how to laugh and also how to breathe. When you get free from certain fixed concepts of the way the world is, you'll find it is far more subtle and far more miraculous than you thought it was. The only way to make sense out of change is to plunge into it, move with it, and join the dance.
All right, hang on tight, kids. We're about to roll out of here. Oh.
Party's over.
Party's over. Delicious meal, delicious time, delicious time. Great time. Beautiful. Oh yeah! Thanks, Louis. Oh, what's happening here? Look, dresses. Look. Oh. We're driving.
Salud.
I'm not driving. Salud. Guys, look at me. Don't drink and drive. Don't drink in the back. Actually, you can drink in the back.